In this video lecture, we will be discussing about the VI or Vim editor. Now, your 10 to 15% of your life gets spent in this VI editor. That means always you are editing the files, you are creating the file. For that, you have to use the VI or Vim editor. This is one of the most used editor. So we will be going into the detail. So when we are using the VI editor, is the most used editor in Unix Linux platform. The other popular editor are Max, Joe, Nano. We have editor has got three mode. One is command mode. When we are opening the file with VM, the default mode is command mode. In this mode, or sometimes we call this as browsing mode also. In this mode, different characters or combination of character will be used as a command. Insert mode. You can enter into the insert mode by pressing I or capital I, A or capital A or O or capital O key. Whatsoever you are going to type will be get inserted in the file. Use escape key to switch to the command mode, or we sometimes call browsing mode. Then there is a line mode. You can enter into the line mode by pressing the colon. It will take you to the end of the screen. Then enter any valid line mode commands and press enter. In this mode, you can also use the slash for forward search and question mark for reverse search. Some tutorial only mention about two modes. VI editor, they consider line mode just extension of command mode. So in our case, we will be looking at some of these options, not all the options. Two of the most important options are WQ for save and quit, and another is quit exclamation sign without quitting. Let us go to the as a Vim user. So what we are going to do, we will first delete all the files that are there. Then we are just going to create one file, file 1, hello, hi, okay, fine. So this is the suppose file that we have created. Now we want to edit this file. So you can use VI file 1. Now just remember one thing, I'm just using alias. So actually when you are typing VI, actually your VI improved version you are using. So when I am typing VI file 1, I could have specified this, or we could have specified. So one and the same thing. So now this is your browsing mode. Now we want to enter into insert mode. So I have to press I, small I. So what it will do, it will take us to the insert mode. So I can type anything, hello, hi, and I can delete also. Now I want to save it. So I have to, from this insert mode, I have to move back to my other mode, browsing mode, with escape key. Now what we want to save. So we have to specify colon, W mean write, Q mean quit. Do not write quit, because we are saying quit then write. This will not work. So we were able to save. Again we are opening the file. Insert mode. You can enter into with I, but sometimes I is not that much useful. You can press O. That means it is inserting and taking you through the next line. So we can again type, we can remove this, we can insert. Now sometimes we have made, we did not want to edit the file, but somewhere we have edited the file. So what you can do, escape, quit without saving. That means you can quit without saving. That means it will not save the changes. So again, if we are going to move to, that was the options. So what was the command mode? By default it is in command mode or browsing mode, then insert mode. So then there are other options for searching, and we will see that also. Then copy and paste. We are not looking at all the options, but we are giving you this slide so that you can go into this through. So we will be covering main options. So what again, we will open the file. We can open in this way or we can. So what we can do, so if we have to search anything, slash, suppose HE we want to search, so we will press enter. It is showing N mean next, P mean previous. So we will quit without. Then what was the file? Then sometimes we want to see the number. For that, set number. It will show you the number. And set no number. Then what you can do, suppose I want to copy this high line, then the command is YY. Then where I want to paste, with P you can paste. And suppose I will remove this with the escape key. I'm just going to save. Now I'm going to open it with set no and sometimes set no color. No, this is not valid. So what we want? I want to copy two lines, this and this. So I will go to this line. I will press 2YY. Then paste. This is going to paste. And if you have to delete the line, just press DD. And if you have to delete the two lines, numeric 2 plus DD. Then we will be saving. That was saving. That was set number. And you can search also with substitute also. Okay, substitute this text 1 with the text 2. We will see that was DD, delete line, and DD mean delete specified number of line. Then we have got copy current line, and with NYY you can copy many lines. P, capital P, paste before, capital small p, paste after. I, insert before cursor. A, insert after cursor. O, create new line after current line. Capital I, insert at the beginning of line. Capital A, insert at the end of line. Capital O, create new line. These are the main option, and these for searching, and you can replace the text also. So we will again go. Suppose now again I am opening file. Now I'm inserting something. Suppose hello, hi. Then what I'm doing, I'm copying these two lines, 2YY. Then I'm going to paste. Now you want to undo the thing. In the Vim Editor, your undo is very strong. You have to just press small u. Very strong undo. That means with u, you can undo the thing. Now what are the other options? Substitute from hi, him. Sorry. We will again go to what are the substitute command. Colon S. Change first occurrence of text 1 with the text 2 in the current line. And change all occurrence of with the current line. And percentage s for all the line, because on that line was done. So we will be saying percentage s, then text 1, with which text you want to global mean change in all the line. So we will try. So colon percentage, substitute, we want hi replaced with him globally, that is. So we will escape with, we can undo this, we will save the change. It is not necessary that you have to edit the file previously created. In this way you can create the file yourself. That means hello, how are you, fine, okay. That means you can create the file also. So these are the some of the options that we will be using. Another very useful option is you can write the content of the file. Suppose we want to, first 3 line we want to write in the file f3. So what we can say, 1 column 3 w mean write in f3 file. So we will column w 1 2 3 w in which file, f3 file. Now what will happen, f3 file will get created. And what is another option is there, you can also read the content of the file. Suppose I want to read the content of file, insert the content of file in this. So this is also, again for deleting dd, for insert mode I, escape you can, for saving wq, and if you have to quit without saving. And if you just want to save but do not want to quit, just press, that means it will not take you out. And with set nu number, and with set no, so a lot of options are there. We have just covered the common option.